time was Jarvis. A little too far. Pasternak has it taken away by Jarvis. Right in front of the Bruins bench. And the loose puck. Now it's given away. Jarvis, shot, he scores! Oh, taking advantage of the miscue with 18.6 left. Seth Jarvis, no mistake. And Carolina takes a 3-2 lead.
What a magical malfunction of the stick, but who started it all in the neutral zone? The guy that finished it all. Tough break to have your stick. Verzadorov malfunction like that at that moment in time. But boy, Seth Jarvis started it all before he finished it with what he did to win the battle, to win the trenches in the neutral zone.